Hello, you doing alright? Long time no see. How are you? You doing okay? Yeah, it's me, you know, Stu with the beard, but didn't have the beard then, and I'm kind of got one now really. It's kind of, just don't know what this is. And I'm trying to force hair out my head once again after my COVID cut of 2 years of having it quite short, which you kind of really didn't see a lot of because I didn't do any bloody videos. Not many anyway. So why am I back? Well, there's a huge announcement. It's a big announcement. It's an exciting announcement. We've got 10,000 subscribers, which is huge, which is exciting and also surprising. Surprising by the very fact that I've really not done very many videos these last couple of years. Nowhere near what I was doing before. And that's a disappointment, and I feel bad about that. And I understand why a lot of you have probably just thought, get out of here. And I get it. You know, if I'm not doing the videos or they're not great quality, then who's going to watch them? I wouldn't watch them. So you're probably wondering, what the hell happened? Well, a few things happened, and we all know what happened in the world, the big COVID and all that. But that really should have given me more time to do videos rather than less time to do videos, right? Right, you're right. And the year before last, which is crazy already saying that, I got loads of camera equipment. I got loads of Blackmagic 6K goodness, all that lovely 6K camera equipment, thinking that would be the spark that would be lit underneath me to make me do more videos, because I've got all this new gadgetry that cost me a fortune. Yeah, didn't happen, did it? And the reason why it didn't happen is that to use that equipment, you have to be to a good level. You have to be pretty skilled, and I'm not particularly well skilled. I'm not at this. I'm a bit more advanced than a point and shoot, but yeah, not by much. And I got all this thinking I would learn how to use it, and I did. And then what ended up happening is it just took so bloody long to create, to get its things set up, to get videos together, to edit them, to just do so much. It just took so long. And I know that's not much of an excuse, because YouTubers and so on create videos that have great content that do take a long time. I get it. But I was forever battling with the technology that I was using, and eventually I kind of just gave up and sold it. And I didn't fancy getting another camera, although I've now got a new Sony camera, which is easy to use. It's designed for YouTube and blogging and all that. It's their latest one, which is pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. And this is the first YouTube video that we've got using it, and I'm happy about it because it's simple to use. An idiot like me can use it and produce something that's alright. So yeah, that's the excuse. That's the one we're going to run with. That I just invested a stupid amount of money that wasn't necessary in equipment that really wasn't necessary, in creating a workflow that wasn't necessary, in creating videos that weren't any different particularly to the videos I was doing before, so that wasn't necessary, and ending up selling all the equipment at a loss, which really wasn't necessary. So where do we move from here? Well, I could go on about making a whole bunch of promises once again, and I don't want to say, yeah, I'm now going to do a video every day and blah blah blah. But what I will do is I will do videos. I'm not going to say they're going to be regular, but just look out for them. They will be based on the things I've done before, so TV tech, gaming, hi-fi stuff, things like that, as well as just general tech and just thoughts in general, as well as the thing that seems to have got quite popular lately is sort of reaction videos, and I kind of hate them. I do, they kind of make me cringe, but I have found myself to be quite almost comical when I'm watching videos because of my own reactions. So I thought, well, maybe somebody might watch me being quite cringy. So yeah, we could do a few of those together. So yeah, just more of what we did before with a few sort of added ons. I'm also thinking, I did previously a while back do some streaming, and I'm looking maybe doing that again, because I've got, you know, a decent PC and some really good hardware, which I will show off a little bit. I know a while ago somebody said sort of do a walk around my sort of man cave-ish room, sort of my office room, so to speak. And yeah, I think I'll do one of those, so just highlighting, so if we do get somebody breaking in, they'll know exactly what to steal. Yeah. Yeah, so first of all, yeah, thanks for subscribing and watching these videos and sticking with me. I understand if you're not watching this video, which doesn't make sense. If you're not watching this video, you don't know what I'm saying. But if you've sort of dropped off and you've moved on, fine. But yeah, I think we can sort of rescue this a little bit and do some more interesting videos and do some sort of commentary and thoughts and reactions and some reviews of some of the equipment that I've got, that I've had a while, so it's, you know, it's not just a sort of, oh, this is a new toy, this is very exciting, it's the best thing ever. It's more of a case, this is a toy that I've had for a while and it's getting on my tits. That kind of reaction, to that kind of review. So yeah, so that's what I think we will look towards. So doing videos that are fairly decent, that are unscripted, because I cannot stand scripted videos. I've tried doing those before, just don't work for me. I sound like a robot. Well, they just appear a bit robotic. Yeah, so I think we'll do that, shall we? Is that what we'll do? So if you've been a subscriber, or you just managed to catch one of my videos by accident and you've watched them before, come say hi, give us a wave, see how you're doing, be good to see you. And I'll see you on the next video. So take very good care, and it's probably a bit late to say this now, isn't it? But kind of Happy New Year-ish. It's a bit late to say that. It is late to say that, isn't it? Anyway, Happy New Year and all that guff, and I'll see you in the next video, which is hugely exciting. I'll be doing more than one video a year. Strokes beard interestingly.